Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with realtor.com for off-market listings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with realtor.com for off-market listings, start by navigating to the realtor.com website. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to proceed to the authentication page. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password. For new users, click the Sign Up link to create a new account. Fill in the required fields with your information, including your name, email, and a secure password. After completing the registration form, check your email for a verification link. Click the verification link to activate your new account. Once your account is verified, return to the login page. Log in using the email and password you just set. After logging in, navigate to the Settings or Profile section. Look for the option that mentions integrations or external applications. Select the option to connect with additional services. In the Integrations section, locate the option for off-market listings. Click on the button to authenticate your account. You may be prompted to enter additional information specific to your real estate license. Provide the necessary information and confirm your request. Wait for the system to process your authentication. You will receive a confirmation message once the authentication is successful. Now that you are authenticated, you can search for off-market listings. Use the search filters to narrow down your options based on your criteria. Review the listings for any potential opportunities. Bookmark or save listings that interest you for easy access later. Your authenticated account will allow you to receive alerts on new off-market listings. Regularly check your email and the realtor.com dashboard for updates. By following these steps, you will effectively authenticate your realtor.com account for off-market listings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.